Hi! This is the second video in our mockup design playlist. Last time we created a hoodie, check it out if you missed it. Today we're designing a t-shirt mockup in Procreate. I'll open Google Drive and download a t-shirt from our mockup bundle. Check our website, we have thousands of different mockups and a lot of brushes for Procreate. Now I'm creating a new canvas, 3000 by 3000 pixels. Next, insert the photo and choose a t-shirt mockup. I duplicate the layer and set the top copy to multiply. This layer will keep the outlines and shadows of the t-shirt. On the layer underneath, I'll fill in the color. If you see gaps when filling color, don't leave your pencil right away. Swipe left or right to adjust the fill threshold. Now I will add a design by drawing some figures. For a vintage effect, I go to Adjustments, Halftone, Newspaper. It turns the design black, so I'll alpha log the layer and paint in the right color. I'll copy and paste this element for the other side. And then repeat the same steps for the back of the t-shirt. To keep it from looking flat, I'll add highlights using a soft airbrush. Next, I'll add a new layer and use brushes from the Grunge bundle to give the fabric some texture. Let's add a PNG logo. For the back side, I'll also add some text. And that's it! Our t-shirt mockup is complete. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.